So Samsung has reportedly started mass production of the Galaxy S10 series just because of some complex features involvement. The company has never followed a time frame like this. Obviously, it's the 10th anniversary mark that has to be special. At this point of time, the S10 lineup is no more a secret, and when we talk about production line, it's gonna be difficult for Samsung to keep up S10 under the hood. Now the company always make efforts towards the camera innovation. We have the Galaxy S9 series and Note 9 to prove that, but believe it or not, the camera experience still needs to be improved, and interestingly, Samsung knows that. So they're working on a feature called Bright Night, kinda like the Google's Night Sight mode. For those who don't know, this is a massive improvement in low light picture taking capabilities of any Android smartphone, particularly Pixel series. The feature takes its own time to collect light information and thus get a brighter image than the human eye can see. For Google and the smartphones industry, it's a big achievement without any type of major hardware upgrades. Samsung is also trying their own low light camera software that will give beautiful results when combined with a Google software that is Android Pie, dual aperture camera system and an intelligent processing. At the same time, you shouldn't expect a spontaneous image processing because to collect the light information, the system needs some multiple seconds. Moving to the main highlight of the video, Samsung Electronics has a new strategy to compete against Apple and Huawei. According to a South Korean publication, The Bell, and also according to Ice Universe, Samsung is now done with the size game for the next flagship phones. Among all these upcomings, the Note 10 is the biggest upgrade with a whopping 6.75 inches display, followed by the Galaxy S10 5G variant with a 6.66 inch display. It shouldn't come as a surprise to you as the smartphone's trend has got big. Also, you shouldn't expect a bigger form factor because of this, as Samsung will trim down the bezels to a great extent. When we talk about the Note series, it might get some changes, so don't take the Note's info so seriously. Samsung has started rolling out the Android Pie update with One UI on the Galaxy S9 series. However, it will take some good time to touch every single S9 phone, but yeah, it's good to have such a response by the company. That said, for daily updates like this, you know what to do. Peace out.